In this video, I will explain to you how you can get free hosting, and this free hosting is suitable for creating WordPress sites. As for its specifications, it is a free cPanel hosting, like the free hosting provided by 000 WebHost. You can use this free hosting for your websites and get free PHP hosting. If you are looking for free hosting for life or free hosting equal to Blogger hosting or even free HTML hosting. In this explanation, I presented you with a site that gives you free hosting for a year. After this video, you will not look for free hosting 2022, not even free hosting for your site. You will get free WordPress hosting for free. The link used in the tutorial is in the description. The first thing to enter the site, and the name of the site is Free VPS Hosting. After that, click on Register, and then create an account by filling in your data. Your first and second name, your email address and phone number. The registration method is very easy. After creating the account, you will be directed to this page. After that, we will click on Services and then Browse All. After that, we will see a set of plans on the site, which are currently available only are free shared hosting. After that, you will be directed to the Add Your Domain page, the link that you will use to upload your files and run the site. If you already have a domain, this will be a great thing. If you do not have a domain, you can book a domain from any domain site. There are many famous sites available. If you want a special episode of the best domain sites and the best prices, write to us in the comments. But now in this explanation, I have a domain that I purchased before, and the domain used in the explanation I booked from the Namecheap site for me. It is the best site for selling domains. After obtaining the domain, click on I will use my existing domain and update my name servers. Now I will write my own domain, then click on Use. Now as you can see, the cost is 0. Now, click on Checkout. Now click on that you have read the terms and click on I'm not a robot, and then click on Complete Order. And then we will wait a little. He is now booking your free hosting. Oh my God, this is the best free add-on site for me, my friends. And now it tells you that this is your order number. Now click on Continue. And now, as it appears in front of you, that the services were created for us. After that, I log into the services that have been created. And then we will go to the control panel of the domain. And this is according to the site through which you purchased the domain. And then you will enter the name servers control page. And if you do not know how to reach this page, search in Google for name servers and type the name of the private site with the domain. After accessing the page, you will choose Custom DNS and then add the DNS of the hosting as you see. Then press the check mark. Now we will wait within an hour or two, depending on the speed of your DNS, or in a more correct sense, according to the speed of the site through which you purchased the domain. Now we have finished linking the domain to the hosting. Now we want to manage the domain or hosting. Now we want to upload our script, for example. We will click on Files Manager. It will open the File Manager page, and the entire control panel of the free hosting that you booked. On this page, you will also find the IP address of the hosting as you see. If you want to publish your site in WordPress, this is also available. But now we are going to do a little test that we make sure that the connection between the domain and the hosting has already occurred or not. The hosting is working fine, and you can now upload your files easily. But now we will make a confirmation only that the hosting is working fine. I will now go to the File Manager. Through the File Manager, you will be able to upload the files of the script with ease. Now I will create a new file, and this option is an option and not mandatory. What I will do now is just to make sure that the domain is connected to the hosting. I will write .text next to the file name, then right-click and choose Edit. Then I will type anything here and press Save. After that, I will make a copy for my domain. After that, I will paste the domain and then add a / mark and write the name of the file. And because, as you can see, the site does not open, and this is because the connection between the domain and hosting has not yet been completed. All you have to do is wait for an hour or two, depending on the speed as I told you before, until your name server is updated. Now we will go to this site to see if was the name server updated or not, and the site name is DNS Checker. After entering the site, type in your domain and choose NS, then click on Search. And as you can see, so far the update for the name server has not been completed yet. As you can see, so far the name server has not been completed in all countries. All you have to do is just wait until the update is completed successfully. After that, the site will run fine without any problems. And let's also make sure if the domain has been connected successfully, and we are just waiting for the update, we will go to the proxy site to speed up in the process of viewing the file that we have uploaded without waiting for the update. After entering the site, we will write the link to the file. Then we choose the services, for example service number 5, and then press Go. As you can see, the file appeared and the writing that you wrote before is inside the file. And now, I prove to you that the matter is very easy, and if the domain has been successfully linked to the free hosting, just wait until the update is completed. And to be aware, the site made this free hosting for a year only. To try it, for example, you have a new script and you want to try it, or if you are new in this field and want to try it, without paying money, you can use this site. I highly recommend you for this very excellent hosting, and without ads or anything. And here it is, and our video for today. If you benefited from the video, do not skimp on us by Blake, and subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell button. See you later.